Gates open, they're up and racing. And the early lead is taken by 5A, Mr. Savior from the outside, moving up by the rail, the Surgeon. Swab Tiger also in there as they make their first turn. 5A, Mr. Savior in command, followed by the Surgeon in second. Then racing in third, Ideal View running on the outside is entry number 5, and that's the stablemate up front runner now catching the second spot, Goldation. Then moving up on the outside, My Ray, then Stormy Norman moving up in between runners, Lady Diamond. Next in line by the rail is Stormtrooper. In between runners is Golden Hannah as they race towards the last 800. 5A, Mr. Savior. 5, Goldation is in second. Racing in third is Stormy Norman. Swab Tiger is racing in fourth. Then comes the Surgeon. Lady Diamond by the rail. Ideal View. Next in line, My Ray. Then comes Golden Hannah. Stormy Norman. Peace and Love, third last. Second last is Spellbinder. And trailing the group is entry number 9, Dugo Sprite. As they swing for home, Mr. Savior starts to draw away by about 8 lengths. Running in second still is the stablemate Goldation. Moving up is Stormy Norman. Swab Tiger. Then comes is Stormtrooper. Ideal View. With 75 meters more to run, better go down and collect. Or is in the bag for 5A, Mr. Savior. Swab Tiger took second, then comes Goldation. Is Stormtrooper number 3, Ideal View. My Ray close with Stormy Norman and the Surgeon.